Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss the second chapter of First Flight, Nelson Mandela Long Walk to Freedom. He is saying that it was 10th May and it was clear and shiny day. For the past few days, he was surrounded by the people of high rank and world leaders who had come to pay their respect for the inauguration. Actually, on that day, black people were freed and non-racial government was formed. That's why a ceremony was kept. In that ceremony, so many people had come to join. He is saying in the inauguration would be the largest gathering. Means still so many people had come on that day. On the international leaders, we so many international leaders have come on South Africa soil, on the soil of South Africa. It took place in the lovely sandstone amphitheater. It took place in amphitheater which was made of sandstone, and it was formed by the Union Buildings in Pretoria. Earlier, for decades before, in this land only this was a seat of white supremacy of high people. It means white people were there was a rule of white people only. Now it was a site of rainbow gathering of different colors. Now this type of system is over. Now today on different type of people of different type of color can be seen here. And nations for the installations of South Africa's first democratic non-racial government, and people have come to pay their homage to the non-racial government of South Africa. It was an autumn day and it was a lovely day also. He is saying that on that lovely autumn day, I was there with my daughter Jainani. On the stage, Mr. De Klerk was the first person who took his oath as second deputy president. After this, Thabo Mbeki was the second person who took his oath as first deputy president. When it was my turn came, then I pledged that I will obey and maintain the constitution. I will devote myself to the welfare of the republic and its people. And I said to the assembled guest and the watching world. Assembled guest means who were present at that time, and watching world means who were seeing this program on TV. Today all of us do by are present here. Means today who are present here, we give glory to the new and hope. We give glory and hope to the newborn liberty. Liberty means freedom. This freedom we have got after a lot of experience and human disaster. The disaster which lasted for a long time. And it must be now that type of society must be created. In that society all human beings must have proud. Now Mandela is saying that earlier we were outlaws, means criminal, not so long ago, but today we have got this highly privilege that we are hosting our own nation on our own soil. Earlier we were criminals on this soil. We thank all of our distinguished of highly ranked people, respected international guests for having come to they have come to take their possession. Now it is the happiest day of South Africa. Now we want to thank to the international guests that who have come to join our happiness and to our victory. The victory is not a victory for South Africa only. It is a common victory of justice, peace and human dignity. We achieved our political emancipation, means freedom. Now we are free from political restrictions also. We pledge ourselves to liberate all our people from the continuing bondage of poverty, deprivation, suffering, gender and other discrimination. Means we will try that no one will suffer from poverty, deprivation, no one will suffer any from gender and other discrimination. We will try this thing. And on this land, this time other people will not be oppressed by other people in any case in future, as earlier we were being done. Now the sun will never set. So glorious are human achievements. Means now here human achievements will increase, not decrease. Let freedom reign. May God bless Africa. Thanks.